Monday, y'all. This is Lady TZCD coming back at you with a quick video. I just wanted to jump in and do a quick video on my Diva space. Now, I told you guys I wanted to try to jazz it up a little bit for the fall. So I added a couple of pillows and some other things, and I just want y'all to check it out. I haven't did a video in a while in my room. So again, let's walk on into the room. So as you can see, I'm gonna do a panoramic view real quick. It's a room just dedicated to myself, just to have my own little space in the home. It's like a den type I keep saying man cave, woman's cave, diva space, whatever you want to call it. Just something that I decided to change and turn into a space just for me. And so I'm gonna start over here to my left. As I walk into the room, I haven't done a lot to the room. I did take that picture there that I had in my bedroom and brought it in here because what I'm working on right now actually is a total big revamp or a challenge reveal or a redo or whatever you want to call it for my bedroom. And I'm pulling out a lot of things off the wall and getting it prepped for painting. And also I'll probably eventually get another bedroom suit. So instead of putting this in storage or maybe putting it in my closet or something like that, I decided to bring it in here, add to the other shoe canvas, little cute little canvas pictures on the wall. These little canvas pictures didn't cost a lot. You know, they was picked up from here and there. Maybe I think I got that one over there in the corner from Burlington's. And look at my beautiful plant. That's I call her Cindy. And so she's two plants in one. She loves this corner. I used to have her downstairs in the living room. So now she was getting so big and she's about to hit the ceiling in a few more. But she's actually two plants in one. And so she loved this corner and she's definitely gravitated to the sofa. She loves it. And so I'm so happy that she's growing just fine for me in this space. But I was just talking about the pictures. You don't have to spend a whole bunch of money. I just dedicated this side of the room with pictures of different cute little sharp shoes. And I got that picture over there in the corner from Burlington. It wasn't that much, a couple of dollars. And of course, this one came from Burlington as well. My favorite color is purple. In my wedding, I had purple, white, and a little history about my favorite color. My wedding colors was dark purple, lavender, and white. And these, when I saw this, I said I just had to have it. Because it reminded me of my bouquet. And so I said I love this, and I grabbed it, and it was probably about $30 or something like that from Burlington's. And so yeah, and other two as well, little or nothing. So it, you know, just blended in real easily, real nice, and I thought it was so cute. So this picture right here, once again, I love this. These shoes are sharp, y'all. When I said, I would love to have these shoes, my daggone self, just in real life, you know what I'm saying? And so look at this. Look closely, you guys. These shoes has like a velvet texture to them on this canvas, and I thought that was so. It's the material, the lining of the shoe is velvet, and all these little printed spots, like a leopard spot or whatever, or a tiger print, is on the shoe. And I thought, and they're velvet, and the texture just blew me away. I had to grab. I've seen this too, this print in a bigger, bigger size, but I forgot what I got it from. It's been so long. So anyway, enough about the shoes, y'all. You know, I get passionate when I'm talking about fashion and decorating and stuff. So yeah, this was the first picture I put in here, placed in here, and it was kind of expensive too. And so those are little twinkling lights, if you can see that real closely. So I just use those lights just to film, just give myself more lights, more lighting when I sit here and film in this room. But that was expensive, kind of expensive print here. It's trimmed in that silver metal there. So yeah, it's really nice. I don't know, I'm gonna keep it in here, maybe put it in my bedroom, because I think the color of the paint will be very nice, blended real nice with this picture, and put something else back here. I don't know, but yeah. So moving right along, just showing you guys the beautiful the pillows I incorporated with the room. Those Hello pillows I got from Tuesday morning. I know I did a haul and showed you guys those pillows. It was about $12.99. I got 2 of them. So as you can see, as I displayed them, it looks really nice in here because of the color. The background color is gray, and so it looks really, really nice. Now, this picture right here in the corner, my son had this done for me for my 50th birthday gift from him to me. My husband gave me a 50th surprise birthday party, and he had this done when he was in college. He had this done when his art major friends did this from a picture, a snapshot picture on his phone, and I can't believe how nice, and the lightness of it is so on point. So I was just so tickled to get this from a student, and I know right now he's probably making you know, good money doing art and framing and pictures and all that. So yeah, I was so tickled to have it, and it was so nice. What a nice gift from my son. So again, you know, it's just something that like I said, I just want to add a little fall. It's nothing like big time fall, but just something to bring down the purple and the gray, and I thought that green would bring it down and make it look more fallish. Those glasses, those little specs, I think a lot of people have those specs. I don't know where I got it from. I think I got them from Burlington or Home Goods or what have you. I think now they come in black, and I think they are also shaped differently. You can find them in black, or you can find them in that square shape as well, the frame. So yeah, I've had those for a while. The rugs, they came from Ross. I got 2 of them to cover this carpet, you guys. I can't wait to one day pull up this carpet in here, but so far so good. Right now I think it looks great. The big rugs I have placed in here, they are due, and it's not clashing from the red off the floor. And I love, you know, of course, color, so it doesn't bother me at all. So yeah, this is my space. Anything that, you know, represents me, I try to put it in here so I can just come in and relax and have my own little zone, my own little area. I've had this room for a while. It was one of my kids' rooms when they was here. Both of them, my son had this room, and my daughter has a smaller room, which she's in right now, but both rooms has been renovated since they you know, transferred over to a whole different look since they were smaller. But what I'm gonna do when she decides to move out, which is gonna be soon, probably the 1st of the year, I'm gonna change her room into a guest room. So by then I'll be completely done with my master bedroom and bath, and I can just focus on her room, which again would be the guest room. Right now we're getting ready to paint my bedroom and bathroom. So it's a lot of work. It's amazing how much I have, and I need to purge from my master bedroom to get this whole project going before my husband starts painting. All right, you guys, I just want to do this real quick. This is an impromptu video, but I love to share my little updates, you know, working in here, adding little things in here that represents me. And I hope you guys have a space in your home, or it could be anything. It don't have to be a room. It could be a space. It could be a small closet. It can be a, you know, just an area in your home where you can, you know, make it your own. And everything in here makes me happy. It represents me. So again, thank you guys for watching. This is Lady TZCD coming in on a Monday, and hopefully you guys are doing well. Let's start this week out, you know, right. Let's have some wonderful blessings. Let's continue to pray. Pray for your family. Pray for others. Pray for the world. Pray for peace. Okay? And I really appreciate you guys watching. Please thumbs up the video if you have not already. If you have not subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber or subby. Hit that notification bell. That way you will never miss my updated or current or newest video. And like, share, and I truly appreciate it. Let's talk about what y'all doing down below. All right, in the comments. Hope you guys like it, and I look forward to seeing you, reading your comments below. Let me jump off. Talk to y'all later. Goodbye.